everyone, and welcome back to English with Teacher Karol. Today, we're going to talk about 5 very common mistakes that English learners make and how you can avoid them. Let's jump right into it. Using he have instead of he has. He have a dog. He has a dog. Use has with he, she, and it. Forgetting the S in the third person. She walk to school. She walks to school. Add S or ES to verbs in the present simple for third person. I am agree versus I agree. I am agree, wrong. I agree. Agree is already a verb. No need to use am. Direct translation mistakes. I have 25 years. I am 25 years old. Be careful with expressions that don't work the same way in English. Preposition errors. I'm interested on music. I'm interested in music. Learn the correct prepositions that go with verbs and adjectives. But don't worry, mistakes with prepositions are completely normal because it can be very confusing, and I already saw even native speakers making those mistakes. The only way to fix these mistakes is through practice. Speak more, listen more, and write more. The more you use English, the less you rely on translation. Have you made any of these mistakes? Leave a comment and let me know which one you'll pay more attention to from now on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!